What's up, everyone? Little update here for the Mustang. It's been a while. Uh, Happy New Year, everybody. Um, Had to put a pause on the fixing the Mustang because of the holidays and all that. But I got some parts in. Got the two heads. This is a Edelbrock Performer head, 60329, and I got both of them. I move my coffee from here. Yeah, we're gonna test fit everything, but yeah, these are really nice heads. Come with the springs already. They're pedestal mount and aluminum, very lightweight. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy about that. They're pretty expensive. These, because I'm in California, I had to get these because they have a number right there for when you get the car smogged. It's a requirement here, so I kind of want to keep it smog legal, the most I can. At least with these on a visual, it'll pass because it has a EPA number on them. I got the intake manifold. It's a 3721. This comes with some carburetor gaskets, instructions. This is a Performer 302. Really nice. It has the hole for the EGR, so I will be keeping the EGR on it. It's like a step up from stock, that's for sure. I know my stock one's a lot flatter. It does come with this plate too. I'm not sure why I need that, but yeah, after I install it, I'll see what everything's for and how everything goes, because I will be putting a new carburetor also on it. I'm not gonna use the old one. It's very old. So yeah, there's the other head over there. So I got the heads, intake manifold, head gaskets. I was going through them. These are the manifold gasket sets. What they recommend for that intake manifold. It's a Edelbrock. Falpro gaskets, which is the one that they recommend for these heads also. Yeah, they fit the 30 over bore. I was comparing them to my old ones that are all burned out, and man, what a difference. Those old ones were definitely in dire need of changing. That's why the car was heating up. I think they're a little thicker. I'm not sure, but I mean, the other ones they're quenched already. They might not be thicker. That's just because they're flattened already. But what I notice is they might have a little more ring to them. But other than that, I got the two gaskets, head gaskets, manifold gasket, and these are the bushings for the aluminum heads. They're gonna go in these holes right here. They're needed because they're what are they 5/16 or another original ones. I think they're 1/2 inch or something. Okay, so these holes are 1/2 inch, and the threads on the block are 7/16, I think. I can't remember, but it's that's what these bushings are for. These are basically made for, like, I think the 351 heads have a 1/2 inch bolt. So anyways, we got those. This is a new kit for the manifold bolt kit from ARP, and these are new head bolts. They're not studs. I just bought bolts for them. There we go. It's a part number. So we're going to test fit everything right now. Just make sure everything lines up, fits. And then I have to check clearance, piston valve clearance. Order push rods. I got to order the push rod tool kit to get the right size push rods. Even though they recommend, I think it's a 6.8, but It's always better to measure everything. And so yeah, so there's a little update, and I'll be showing you guys some more videos soon.